Now I'm going to show you how to program the digital control panel, which comes standard on all Anets Platinum Series fryers. We have the on-off switch, we have the program switch, and we have straight countdown timers, 4 countdown timers. So I want to get into the programming. What I need to do is I need to press the program button and the on-off switch at the same time. Hold it for 2 seconds. Now I'll get a display of but. When I see but, it means that I can now go to the next level. It means that the control panel is not in a locked position. So I select program. The first thing that comes up is what temperature would you like to fry at. So if I want to change the temperature, I simply have got an up or a down button. So I could say turn that to 174, or I take it up to our normal frying temperature of 180. I'm happy with 180, so I now select program. The next option which comes up is on your melt cycle, and I've got this preset for melt cycle of liquid. If I wanted to change it, I can change it to solid or tallow. I can change it to no melt cycle or back to liquid, so I'll leave it on the liquid setting. Program button. The control panel is in a locked position. I can lock the control panel if I wish, but I'll leave it in an unlocked position at the moment because I want to show you how to program the unit. Press P. Do I wish to cook in Celsius or do I wish to cook in Fahrenheit? Press P. I can now get into the technical area, but for the purpose of this video I'll continue on. P, and I'm back out into the general area of the control panel. So that shows you now how to program the temperature. Now I want to show you how to program the timers. So again, I press the P and the on-off button simultaneously. I see but, it means now I can program. So now I want to program one of the timers. So I'll select program 1, and I want to make it a 2-minute cook time. Correct, happy with that. Confirm. Program number 4, I want to make that a 4-minute cook time, so I can take it up to 4 minutes. Confirm. Program number 2, I want to take that down to a 1 minute and 45 second cook. So we have the up and down. Confirm. Now I can move to the next stage. 180, I'm happy with that. Liquid melt cycle, confirm. Leave the control panel in an unlocked position. Celsius, correct. Technical area, I don't want to go into the technical area at this point in the stage. Confirm. And now we're back outside the control panel. I can also, with this fryer, when I want to do a boil out for cleaning, so I drain the oil out of the fryer, I would add the water and the cleaning solution. If I press P and 4 simultaneously, the fryer now goes into boil out mode. So with boil out mode, the fryer runs the water up to 95-96 degrees C, and the burners will cut in and out, in and out. Boil out mode is best done over about a 30-minute process to make sure that we keep our fry pot nice and clean. It means that it removes all the carbons within the fry pot. Once we're satisfied we've boiled the fryer out correctly, we turn the fryer off. We drain the water, we wipe the fry pot down with a clean rag, and we splash water in to make sure that any of the cleaning chemical is removed. Then we get a clean cloth with a little bit of vinegar on it. We wipe the fry pot out completely, make sure that the fry pot is dry, there's no water left in the fry pot. We close the drain valve off, and we can top it up with oil, and it means that our fry pot is nice and clean. The reason why we do this is because carbon on a fry pot is an enemy of oil. If we don't boil the fry pot out on a regular basis, it can also put a coating of carbon around your thermostats, which means that they will be out of calibration and not reading the correct temperature. So boil out is an important process, and it's quite simple. We just press the P and 4 simultaneously, boil will appear, and it means that we're only going to run the water up to 95-96 degrees C.